Hello, in front of me I've got Volkswagen Golf. In this video I'll show you how to check seatbelt manufacturer date. To check seatbelt manufacturer date, take a look at any seatbelt. At the bottom of it, you will find sticker. It can be on the bottom or on the top. On the sticker or piece of paper like this, you will find manufacturer date. It's crucial to check it because if you buy a used car and the seatbelt is significantly younger than the car, it can indicate that the car was in crash. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.